Welcome back, friend, to another episode of the Grow Your Daycare podcast, where I share tips and strategies on how to grow your daycare's reach using the online space. And today we're going to be focusing on your website once again, and I'm going to be sharing with you 3 secrets to an amazing website. So I want you to think of these as some 3 non-negotiables when it comes to your website, because here's the deal. It's great that you have a website and all, but if you don't have the right things on it, people are just going to land on it and then they're going to bounce. They're going to leave. So by implementing what I'm going to share today with you, hopefully you'll get people that search for you on Google, for example, to stick around, to look through your content and eventually call you, send you an email, or even book a visit with you. So let's get started. 3 secrets to an amazing website for your daycare. What are 3 non-negotiables, okay? Number 1, you want it to be user-friendly. What that means is that you want to make sure that it is mobile-friendly, because over 80% of viewers right now are using some type of mobile device. So think a smartphone, think a tablet of some sort, right? People are not necessarily in front of a desktop the way they used to before. So you have to make sure that when you're setting up your website, the design is user-friendly. It's easy to scroll through. The colors pop. There are buttons to press on to go to another page. It's clear. There's not too much content, so too much text, just kind of kind of looking like a book or a novel to read through. Like, you want it to have white space in between. You want it to be skimmable. You want to be able to bold letters or words that you want to stand out, but it has to be user friendly, because unfortunately, people these days have a really low attention span. So you want to make sure you're giving them the best experience possible so that they stick around and scroll through and listen and watch your videos or read through your posts, okay? The other thing you want to think about is that you have the right type of content. So what that means is that you have the right type of information that a mom and dad would want to read through, okay? So you want to think about this for a second before you start posting all sorts of things on your website. What is it that a mom and dad needs to see or read on your website so that they can continue to read, reach out for more information, make them feel safe, secure, and confident that you're the right person for their child, okay? You have to think about this, and this is going to look different depending on what type of program you're running, right? So you want to make sure that you have all the right words in your copy. You want to make sure that you have all the right pages for them to look through. So things like a menu page, or maybe your policy handbook could be uploaded, your educational curriculum, your approach, a little bit about you, sharing reviews, testimonials, pictures or little videos of the kids in your care, maybe a virtual walkthrough of your space, right? So these are things that are going to compel a mom and dad to stick around and to ask for more information. If I land on your website and everything looks very generic and very impersonal, and I'm not finding what I'm looking for, within the first few seconds, I am not going to stick around. So you want to make sure that it's high quality, relevant information that, again, effectively communicates your services, values, unique offerings to moms and dads that are on your website, okay? And secret number 3 is, as soon as someone lands on your website, I'm talking about your homepage here, you want to make sure that you have your contact information, so an email, a telephone number, your address, that they can easily see this. You want to make sure that you have an immediate call to action. So what that means is that as soon as they land on your homepage, for example, before they begin scrolling down, you want to be able to, above the fold, have something to entice them to take the next step. So maybe this is inviting them to get on your newsletter, inviting them to give you their email to get special updates, or maybe you're offering a discount or a coupon code. You want to make sure that that's found at the top of the page so that you can really just start that communication with them, especially if they give you their mobile number or their email address, right? This is going to help you grow an email list and just start conversations with these moms and dads as soon as possible. You know, it's going to make it easier for you to stay in contact with them. if you offer something like this. If they have to start scrolling through the page to find how they could contact you, to find that box to put in their name and their email, guess what? It's not going to happen. So do yourself a favor when you're setting up your website, or if you want to go edit it right now, think about what you can offer in exchange of their name and email. And then you can continue the conversation that way in your newsletters or weekly emails. Okay. So these are just 3 things that I know are going to improve your website's traffic and experience, and it's definitely going to get you it's going to get you starting more conversations with interested moms and dads. I actually did a complete marketing workshop on this inside my community, the Childcare Business Growth Hub, where I went in and I did a 30 to 40 minute workshop on what exactly should be found on your daycare's home page. And then I did a few audits as well. So if you're interested in joining us in one of those marketing workshops, we actually do them monthly inside my monthly membership. Check out the links in the show notes. You can join me inside there with other providers, and you get all your social media content done. You get all your posts and graphics texted to you every single morning. You get Facebook ads training, group coaching support, and obviously marketing workshops. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys in just a few days. I hope this blesses you and your business. And I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.